There is a massive lie that the automotive industry has sold you. They have convinced you that a car is an expense, a black hole that you throw a monthly payment into until the car dies. That is how poor people buy cars. That is the sucker's game. Wealthy people do not buy cars like that. They understand a concept called the depreciation curve. When you buy a brand new car, it loses 20 to 30% of its value the second its tires touch the public road. You are paying for the smell of the new plastic. But if you know exactly what you are looking for, you can find specific vehicles that have already hit the absolute bottom of that curve. These are cars that have depreciated as much as they are ever going to. If you buy one of these specific models today, drive it for 30,000 miles over the next 3 years, and then sell it, you will get all your money back. Sometimes you even make a profit. You are essentially driving for free. You only pay for gas and oil. Today, I am giving you the cheat sheet. I am giving you the 3 specific used SUVs that are currently immune to depreciation in 2026. 2 of them are going to make perfect sense to you, but the third one is a German luxury SUV that everyone thinks is a money pit, but is actually the smartest financial loophole on the used market right now. Let's stop losing money. Let's look at the list. Number 3, the gold standard, Toyota 4Runner, 5th generation. We are starting with the absolute gold standard of retained value. Number 3 is the 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. Specifically the years between 2014 and 2023. I know, you are probably sick of hearing about the 4Runner, but there is a mathematical reason why this truck is brought up in every single financial conversation about vehicles. It defies logic. Toyota recently released the brand new 6th generation 4Runner. It has a complex turbocharged hybrid 4-cylinder. It has massive screens. It is incredibly complicated. And do you know what happened the second that new, complicated truck hit the dealership lots? The value of the older, used 4Runners actually went up. People do not want the new technology. The market is terrified of hybrid batteries failing and turbochargers blowing up on the trail. They want the ancient, naturally aspirated 4-liter V6 engine and the bulletproof 5-speed transmission of the 5th generation. That engine is a tractor motor. It is inefficient, it gets terrible gas mileage, it shifts slow, but it will comfortably outlive the owner. Because of this intense demand for old-school reliability, the depreciation curve on these older 4Runners has completely flatlined. If you go out right now and buy a clean 2018 4Runner TRD off-road with 80,000 miles on it, you are going to pay a premium. It's going to feel too expensive for an 8-year-old truck. But the secret is, 3 years from now, when it has 110,000 miles on it, another buyer is going to give you that exact same amount of money. The market demand is a floor that your money rests on. It's a bank account you can drive. Number 2, the Stealth Wealth Tank, the Lexus GX 460. Number 2 on the list is for the person who wants the reliability of that 4Runner, but actually wants to be comfortable. You want a V8 engine, you want acoustic glass, and you want leather that doesn't feel like a cheap sofa. You need to buy a used Lexus GX 460. The sweet spot here is the 2014 to 2019 models. The GX 460 is what we call stealth wealth. To the untrained eye, it just looks like a nice, slightly older mom-mobile. But to the people who know cars, it is recognized as one of the most over-engineered pieces of machinery ever exported from Japan. Underneath the luxury body, it is literally a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. It has a 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine that is legendary in the mechanic world. We see these engines hit 300,000 miles without even needing the timing chain touched. Just like the 4Runner, Lexus killed the V8 engine recently. The new GX 550 has a twin-turbo V6, and just like the 4Runner, the moment Lexus announced the V8 was dead, the value of the used ones stopped dropping. You can pick up a beautiful, dealer-maintained 2016 Lexus GX 460 right now for around $25,000 to $30,000. That car originally cost over $60,000. The first owner took the $30,000 depreciation hit for you. You are buying it at the absolute bottom of the curve. You get heated and ventilated seats, a Mark Levinson sound system, full-time four-wheel drive, and a V8 that purrs. Drive it for 5 years. Take care of the paint, change the oil. You will sell it in 2031 for exactly what you paid for it today, because there will always be a buyer who wants a reliable V8 Lexus. Number 1. The contrarian play. The Porsche Cayenne Base 958.2 Gen. And now we arrive at number 1, the Loophole, the contrarian play. If you ask any financial advisor about buying a 10-year-old German luxury SUV, they will tell you it's financial suicide. And 99% of the time, they're right. Used BMWs and Mercedes will bankrupt you. But there is one massive exception to the rule. You need to look at the 2015 to 2018 Porsche Cayenne Base, specifically the base model with the 3.6-liter VR6. Do not buy the turbo, do not buy the V8. Buy the base model V6. Here's why this is the smartest luxury hack on the market. Porsche enthusiasts only care about the high-performance models. They look down on the base V6. Because of that snobbery, the base models plummeted in value on the used market. They hit absolute rock bottom. You can buy a 2016 Porsche Cayenne right now for under $20,000. But here's the secret the mechanics know. That 3.6-liter VR6 engine isn't a complex, overstrung Porsche engine. It's the Volkswagen VR6. It's an incredibly simple, robust, heavily proven engine block that has been around for decades. Paired with the Aisin 8-speed transmission, the drivetrain is practically bulletproof. You are getting a vehicle with Porsche build quality, Porsche handling, and an interior that still looks like a spaceship today, but you're getting Volkswagen reliability. Because the price has already bottomed out at that $20,000 mark, it physically cannot go much lower. A running, driving Porsche SUV will always be worth 15 to 20 grand just for the badge alone. You get to drive a Porsche, look like a millionaire, and when you get bored of it in 2 years, you list it on Facebook Marketplace and get your 20 grand right back. It's the ultimate flex. The system is broken. The dealerships need you on a 3-year lease cycle to survive. But when you understand the depreciation curve, you take your power back. You let the first owner take the massive financial hit, and you step in to collect the reward. Whether it's the rugged 4Runner, the V8 bank vault of the Lexus GX, or the luxury loophole of the Porsche Cayenne, you have options. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 are you putting in your driveway? Are you playing it safe with Toyota, or are you taking the risk on the Porsche? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are currently trapped in a terrible car loan right now and need to know how to get out of it without ruining your credit, you need to click the video on the screen right now. I break down the exact math to escape negative equity. Make smart moves. I'll see you in the next one.